Why?
You provided me a safe name. You gave me your mom's. You gave me your mom's name, her address, her birthday.
Breaking up is painful, but this girl's reaction made even the police shake their heads.
You lied to the police about you impersonating your mother. You gave me her name, birthday, and address.
Put your hands behind your back.
One drunken night and one bad decision turned an old love affair into a legal nightmare. A car marked for impoundment, an unknown woman behind the wheel, and when the police ask for her identity, the answer leaves everyone in suspense.
Hello. You wasn't running from me, right?
Me?
Yeah.
Running from you?
Yeah, you kind of pulled off the road right quick. No, over at 19 on the turn. Okay. Okay. Are you the registered owner of this truck here? All right. Well, the reason why I stopped is because both of the ROs on this truck, the registered owners, it shows that the licenses are suspended and that there's a cease tag order on the truck. A cease tag order, meaning the state wants their tag back. Do you have your driver's license on you? It's only if you're the registered owner, though.
No. I don't have my driver's license on me. No, I don't.
You have a Florida driver's license assigned to you?
And my Bible.
A cease tag
I
order.
tell my daughter, I'm driving for her.
No, I hear you. So this will keep happening until they figure out what's going on with their tag.
I want to see if her license is suspended.
Yeah, I don't know. I can look real quick. That way you can let her know.
Yes. So that'll happen while I'm driving.
Yeah. So when we run tags and stuff, because some of us have like tag readers and whatnot, it'll show up
Yeah, I was running for
automatically.
you. I was doing live for my granddaughter.
Okay. As long as you got a valid license, it'll be quick. I said as long as you got a valid license, it's not working.
She said she was 60 years old, was taking her grandchild for a walk, but couldn't remember her daughter's birth date, didn't know her social security number, and didn't have any paperwork. The police became deeply suspicious.
I don't know my social right off. I have my car. I'm driving for my daughter. This is her vehicle.
Okay.
And so I just picked up my granddaughter.
Okay.
And so she was going a little ride with me. And I was
What's your date of birth? Okay. Now how old are you?
63. Yes, sorry. 60 years old.
You're 60 years old?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Okay.
60 years old. I just look good for my age.
You sure do.
Very good.
Okay.
I'm proud of that myself.
All right, hang tight 1 second, okay? We're trying to figure this thing out here. So who's the vehicle registered to?
It's my daughter's vehicle, as far as I know.
Okay.
She's mine.
Is that her?
No, this is my granddaughter's vehicle.
Oh, it's your granddaughter. What's your daughter's name? And how old is she?
40, I think.
Okay. You don't know how old what's your daughter's birthday?
She's 6'9". She's 6'9", 1982.
6'9", 1982. Okay. Are you giving us the correct name, ma'am?
Yes, I am.
It's just a traffic stop.
I have nothing to hide, nothing to lie about.
I gotcha.
I'm driving my daughter's truck, okay, with my granddaughter.
Okay.
And I don't understand. It's like, I feel like you're harassing.
When the fingerprint scanner was mentioned, her expression changed instantly. The truth was slowly revealed, and it wasn't as simple as a traffic violation.
With your name on it?
No,
Nothing.
I just took the truck for around the block for it.
Okay, so nothing in your name?
No.
Nothing in your name?
Not here, no, not in her truck.
Okay. I'm gonna grab a fingerprint scanner, and we're gonna confirm the name.
That's harass.
It's investigation, right? Right? Because we can't determine who you have no documentation to provide us, right? Okay. No, I'm saying you. I understand. I can identify your daughter, right? You look like your daughter, which is not. Okay, I got you. Well, we're gonna take care of that. We're gonna take care of that real quick, all right? Because it's going from a simple, potentially a verbal warning.
My daughter, okay, my daughter's license is suspended as a tag something.
Right, it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. It's traffic. Okay, who cares? Who cares, right?
I just don't right now.
It's not a big deal, right? Because now when you lie to us in terms of a name, now that becomes criminal. So we have to investigate that.
Well, what if I did lie?
Okay.
No,
tell me the truth, and I'll work with you.
I didn't even know my license was suspended.
So is it you? Be honest with me. Hey, I'm trying to work with you here, ma'am. All right? Listen, it's a traffic stop.
I got to go to work at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Right now, I didn't know my license was suspended.
Okay. All right. You did not know your license is suspended. Okay. So this is your car. You're the person. All right. Hang tight. I'll work with you. Stop. Good. I got you.
I'm trying to make you live. Make $1,000.
I got you. Okay. All right.
Like I said, I had no. I just bought this truck last year.
All right, listen.
I didn't even know what is my license suspended for?
I don't know. I just listen. Relax. All right. Listen. Let me figure it. Let me figure it out because now I'm trying to investigate something else.
Mike's is suspended. Mike's he's the other. She said the other owner. He's not the real owner. That's my boyfriend.
Okay. All right. Don't worry.
I'm the owner.
Let me figure it out. Hang tight.
I know his is. I never knew mine was.
Okay. Let me figure it out. Hang tight. Okay. It's okay. Listen. Listen. Like I said, you're going from nothing to something.
She begged, cried, pleaded not to be arrested, but one of the two policemen said bluntly, "You have impersonated your mother, and the consequences were no longer inevitable."
For something that I probably wouldn't have even cared about.
No, listen, I want to tell you something. Because listen, I'm not a bad person. I go to work. I got to work at 2 o'clock right now. And I didn't know my license was suspended. I swear to God. Last thing I knew my license was valid. I never knew anything.
I would have given you a ticket, told you to take it to court because it's probably insurance, that's it. That's it. And you had to give me.
But I stopped. I didn't keep going with it because I knew that wasn't the right thing to do. I thought maybe if I gotta be working 2 o'clock. I'm trying to do the right thing. I be to work every day. I'm a supervisor. I'm a shift lead at Save-A-Lot. I was going for, like I said, I didn't even know my license was suspended, so I could see if I knew.
Something I would have given you a civil citation.
So now you're gonna arrest me, officer?
Yes, because you provided me a fake name. You gave me your mom's.
No, but listen.
You gave me. No. You listen to me. You gave me your mom's name, her address, her birthday. That's not okay. You cannot give another code. For something I would have given you a civil citation for and probably threw it out in court. Because you lied to the police about you impersonated your mother. You gave me her name, birthday, and address. That is not okay.
Hang tight 1 second. We'll figure this thing out here. Who can we call for you?
I just feel like she's trying to be mad. How do you do anything? I don't get it. Come on, my daughter. Just call your grandma.
Can you call Grandma, please?
And can you make sure you're on my one of get all my stuff? I mean, make sure.
We're not going anywhere. We're gonna stay here with you.
No, but I need somebody to get my truck. Like, come on.
Okay, we'll figure that out. We're not gonna tow it. Don't worry. We're not gonna tow it.
I need my mom to get my truck.
Okay. I got you. How old is she? Okay, you don't drive, right?
No.
Okay. All right. Hang tight then.
I don't go around doing it. I don't even go around getting trouble. I'm a good person.
From a small mistake that should have been just a warning, she turned it into a criminal offense, right in front of her own daughter. And the police, they were not lenient.
What's up, Mama? I'm in trouble.
Since you cannot provide a result, I don't know.
Guys, do what you gotta do. You gotta do your job. No, I have nothing in my bra.
Is there anything?
I have nothing, man. I have nothing. I'm going to jail for what? Man, I'm gonna get right out of jail. They wanted out of jail. I gotta go to work.
Take a step.
All right, just have a seat 1 second. We'll figure this thing out. All right, I gotta call your grandmother.
All I do is go to work and come do the right thing. When you gonna put this car? I made a bad decision. I paid, but I understand what's wrong.
Do it again.
In Florida, identity theft of an elder is classified as a level 2 felony, which carries a minimum sentence of 3 years in prison. The woman was arrested on the spot for identity theft and making false statements to police, serious offenses. Meanwhile, the car was not towed away but returned to the real daughter and grandmother. A mom impersonation to avoid a ticket, and the result? Mom doesn't get arrested, but the kid goes straight to jail. The car starts in the middle of the night, and then the police shout, "Don't drive, turn it off." But what makes them break down the door just seconds later?
Put your hands behind your back. I don't want to fight a girl. Give me your other hand.
As dawn approached, the young woman refused to answer any questions. The tired policeman said, "I'm too tired to put up with this. Do you really want to be arrested?"
Isn't that what you just said?
No.
Okay, what did you say then? Okay, I'm going to stop you right there. Who's going to come here and pick you up right now? Where do you live?
I live here.
Okay. Does she live here? She doesn't? Where do you live at? Okay, listen, I'm going to be completely honest with you. It's 4:07 in the morning. I am way too tired to be dealing with this nonsense right now. So let's not make this any harder than it has to be. All right, get out. Get out. Why are you being like this? Why won't you answer me? Like, do you want to get locked up or something?
You were not asleep. You've been out here with me for about 2-3 hours. You were not asleep.
Do you want to get locked up? Or what do you...
I don't.
Okay, well, where do you live?
In Warren.
In Warren. Okay, who's going to come pick you up?
You live in Warren?
Nobody.
Well, how are you going to get home? You're not going to drive because you just told me you're intoxicated. How are you going to get home?
I'm not.
Okay, well, you're not staying here and you're not driving.
Okay.
So how are you going to get home?
I can make a call.
Go ahead, make a call.
213-005-92.
I'm just waiting.
I don't have nobody to call.
Okay, so then
Do
how
you
you
gonna
going
arrest me? Like, I don't
No,
know
I
what you
really,
want me to say.
I really
Like,
don't
I
want
have nothing for you.
Okay, I really don't want to arrest you. Don't push me, okay? I really don't want to arrest you. As I said, it's 10 after 4 in the morning. Okay, I'm off work in less than 2 hours. So I'm asking you to give me something here. I'm trying to give you an out.
I have nothing for you.
Okay, I'm trying to give you an out. I'm trying to help you out.
I don't have a way out.
Do you have any family in Youngstown? Any friends in Youngstown? Somewhere that I can take you for the night? You better think of something because you're not driving this car and you're not staying here.
Tow it.
As the car suddenly shifted into drive, the officer shouted, "I'll smash the window!" But the woman responded with a sentence that left everyone breathless.
Don't start the car.
Are you gonna shoot me?
No, I'm not going to shoot you. If you back out of here, I'm going to arrest you.
I'm not gonna back out.
Do not put that car in drive. Shut it off. Don't tempt me. Okay. Shut the car off. Open the car.
Should have called the police.
Shut the car off.
Don't be stupid.
I'm trying to reach around, reach through the other side.
That's right.
No, the other
I
side.
just called.
It's in drive, Bob. It's in
It's
drive.
locked.
Open it. Put the car in park.
I can't.
Put it in park.
I'm gonna break your window.
Put it in park.
I'll give it all.
What?
I'll give it my all.
Put the car in
My
park.
life, my
Listen,
child.
don't put it in.
Everything.
Don't. Back up. Back up. I don't want you to get hurt. She's got the car in drive. Put the car in park.
This is what you wanted?
Put the car in park.
No, it's what you wanted.
to damage my property. You gotta be real. I'm gonna break your window.
Hey, he's gonna break your window.
What did I damage?
Put the car in park.
Put your car in park.
Put
I'm
the
gonna break
car
your
in
window.
park.
Will you?
No, I will not. Put the car in park. He's gonna break your window.
It takes one pop.
And then you're gonna go to jail. Put the car in park.
No.
Put the car in park.
I'm gonna give it my all.
Put the car in park.
Then
And then step out.
This is ridiculous.
This is absolutely ridiculous at 4 a.m. Put the car in park. Put it in park. Put the car in park and shut it off. Put it in park and shut it off. Shut the car off.
As she was dragged out of the car, she struggled, screamed, and then someone got bitten. But it was the next action that really pushed the situation out of control.
Temporary Queen 005-924. What's the issue? She what? Who is she to you? She's your ex? What's the issue? What's that? Why are you here? You're intoxicated? You said your mother was driving and you were intoxicated. Isn't that what you just said? Okay, what did you say then? Okay, I'm gonna stop you right there. Pick you up right now. Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live here.
Okay. Does she live here? She doesn't? Where do you live at? Okay, listen, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. It's 4:07 in the morning. I am way too tired to be dealing with this nonsense right now. So let's not make this any harder than it has to be. Where do you live? All right, get out. Get out. Where do you live at? Where do you live? Why are you being like this? Why won't you answer me? Like, do you want to get locked up or something?
Out of here, I guess.
Do you
You were not asleep. You've been out here with me for about 2-3 hours. You were not asleep.
Do you want to get locked up? Or what do you...
I don't.
Okay, well, where do you live? In Warren. Who's gonna come pick you up?
You live in Warren?
Nobody.
How are you gonna get home? You're not gonna drive because you just told me you're intoxicated. Yes. How are you gonna get home?
I'm not.
Okay, well, you're not staying here and you're not driving. So how are you gonna get home?
I can make a
Just waiting.
I don't have nobody to call.
Okay, so then
Do
how
you
you
want to
gonna...
arrest me? Like, I don't
No,
have anything to say.
I really don't
I
want to.
have nothing.
Okay, I really don't want to arrest you. Don't push me, okay? I really don't want to arrest you. As I said, it's 10 after 4 in the morning. Okay, I'm off work in less than 2 hours. So I'm asking you to give me something here. I'm trying to give you an out.
Nothing for you.
Okay, I'm trying to give you an out. I'm trying to help you out. Do you have any family in Youngstown? Any friends in Youngstown? Somewhere that I can take you for the night. You better think of something.
One of the most tense scenes. She grabbed my magazine, and the struggle right in the patrol car begins.
No. You're threatening me.
I do not want to hurt her. Get her out. That's it. Let's take her. Step out.
Step out of the car.
This is stupid.
Call the police on me.
What are the police do? You know what I'm And they can call that police on y'all playing like that. What you talking about?
No.
Get out.
No.
Get out of the car.
What am I doing
You're gonna
wrong?
get tased. Hey, no, I'm gonna tase you. Get out.
Okay.
I'm gonna drive stunt.
Turn around, face the
around.
car. Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Get on your stomach.
I am on
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I don't want to do it. I don't want to fight a girl.
Give me your other hand.
Oh!
Put your other hand back here.
Copy, Joe.
Oh, shut up. She does have a big one.
I'm glad you guys just running.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
I'm glad
Stand
you
up.
running.
I think she's not
Get off the way, bitch.
Lean up against the car. Lean against the car. Slide in. Get in. All the way.
The woman could face charges of resisting arrest, driving under the influence, trespassing, and obstructing police. Depending on the severity of the case, legal consequences could include jail time, mandatory treatment, or probation.
I'm getting out. I'm not.
Orlando officers were notified about a silver Mercedes smashing into a tree and swerving dangerously, but that was just the start of a high-stress encounter.
Stop the vehicle. Turn your vehicle off now.
Stop the car! Get out of the car right now! Get out of the car!
Giving commands.
Get out of the car right now! Stop! Stop! Get out of the car! Get out!
Get out of the car now. It's a command.
Get out! Get out now! Shut the vehicle off right now!
Unlock the vehicle now.
Yeah, it looks like there's a vehicle, so
Get out of the car!
I'm not doing
If you move this...
wrong.
Put the car in park! Put the car in park now!
What you doing? I'm not
Out of
doing
the car.
anything. I'm not doing anything.
Get out of the car!
I'm
gonna
not
touch your
doing
seatbelt.
anything.
Get out of the
I'm not
car!
doing
It's still a
I'm
drive.
not
It's
doing
still a
anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything.
Put
You
the
do
car,
it.
put the car in park now. Put the car in park now.
I'm not doing anything.
That's fine.
Police walked up to the vehicle, but even after repeated clear instructions, the woman driving refused to cooperate and became aggressive. The incident escalated rapidly.
Thank you. I couldn't reach it.
Look, I have this arm on a thing. They're pulling my arm out. See it? I'm getting out. I'm not complying. I'm not complying. I'm not
you got
Why are you doing that?
Stop. Yes, you are. You're not listening to the commands.
I'm not resisting. I'm not I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. No, don't tell me to be quiet. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting that. Why you threw me to the ground?
You weren't listening to our order.
What was the order?
To get out of the car. Put the car in park.
So I couldn't park the car first? It's on your body cam. Don't tell me to shush. No, don't tell me to shush. I was not complying.
Yeah, you were.
No, I was not. No, I was not. I have no weapon. I'm not like.
No,
okay. I asked him to cancel.
You can't.
I was resisting you.
That's all I was saying.
I did something. I was resisting you.
I was like,
I was resisting you. Ma'am, no, ma'am. I was resisting. So you gonna beat me up? What you about to do? You want to beat me up? Y'all about to beat me up? I wasn't resisting you. I never resisted you since I was in my car. Why am I being pulled out of my car and being detained? Why am I being pulled? My feet are spread. Why am I being pulled out of my car and detained? Why am I being pulled out of my car and detained?
Hey,
Why
let's just
am I being pulled
let's just get her in the car.
out of my
Let's get her.
car and detained? Why am I being pulled out of my car and detained? Why y'all doing this to me? Why y'all doing this to me?
Have a seat.
I don't have no record.
Have a seat.
I'm not a criminal. I'm not a Why y'all pulling me out of my car?
Have a
doing
seat.
this to me? What is the reason? 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 What is the oh.
I'll fix her on the other side.
That's how you gonna do me?
She broke down crying, shouting in distress. But was it true sorrow, or simply a final act once the proof was too strong to deny?
You were driving the wrong way on JYP, the wrong direction.
I did not drive the wrong direction.
You were driving.
No, ma'am.
You were.
No, ma'am. Show me why I drove the wrong direction. Show me on your body camera. Show me why I drove the wrong direction.
Okay, well.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I would not tolerate that. I would not tolerate that.
Okay.
I will not tolerate
Can I ask
that.
you a question?
I will not tolerate that. I drove the wrong way.
Can I ask you a question? Do you want to take the standard field sobriety tests?
Ma'am, I'm sober.
That's not what I asked. Do you want to take the standard
I can
field
take
sobriety
sobriety test, but
So,
before
yes?
I do that,
Okay.
please let me call my family.
Okay.
They're not gonna have me out here. I can't even call my family.
Okay.
That drove me out of my car. I can't even call my family. No.
You would like to take them?
I will. But let me call my family. Let me call my father. Let me call my father. My daughter is at home.
Oh, sorry.
My daughter is at home. Let me call my father.
After taking her into custody, the police began searching her car and uncovered a startling surprise. Just as the case appeared settled, an unexpected turn came to light.
Can you see it over here with your eyes if you go? Okay.
My prescription in the car. I cannot see.
You can't see?
I cannot see it. It's telling me.
So can you see or not see?
Please call my dad.
Well,
No, I have prescription. My prescription is in the car. I cannot see. I'm literally blind. I have prescription in my eyes right now as we speak. So they're telling me that I just want to call my father. I don't feel safe. I just want to call my dad.
Hey, well, we asked you earlier if you could see. You said
I
you could
told
see.
her. No,
So right now you can't see anything.
I can see, but I have contacts in my eyes. So for her to tell me that I was driving the wrong way, I could not
So
see.
right now, do you have contacts?
I have contacts in my eyes right
Right
now.
now?
I can
Okay.
pull them out my eyes right
Okay,
now.
so you can see.
I can see. I
Okay.
can see you now, yes.
Okay, so why
But I
come
could not
earlier?
see earlier. I'm not
Why-
drunk because I have contacts in my
Oh, you put them in
eyes.
later or something?
Yes, I have to put drops in them. They get blurry at certain times. I would not make this up.
Okay.
And I feel embarrassed. Like, can I just please call my father?
Well, you can call when we're done with field sobriety. We're not done yet.
Sir, I could pull my contact out my eye right now. You don't see it because it's my natural eye color.
But I need you to see so we can do this.
Alright, so what I'm trying to tell you, she said I was driving the wrong way. I don't feel like I was driving the wrong way. If this is why I got pulled over from driving the wrong way, I cannot see.
Do you want to finish or not?
I can do the sobriety test. I'm not drunk, sir.
Okay, so
I'm
let's
not drunk.
let's
I'm not.
continue and let's finish. All right, feet together, hands by your side. I'll give you another opportunity. Okay. Eyes and eyes only, all right?
What was the first?
There you go. Put your right foot right in front of it. Heel, toe, touching. Yep. Hands by your side, okay?
Please mark down that I cannot see.
Yes, I'll put that. But you told me you could see, so which one is it?
No, I cannot see. She told me that I drove the wrong direction.
Oh,
I cannot see. I
got it.
have contacts in my eye.
I know, but you can see right now. But you just said you had contacts earlier. You could see.
I have contacts in my eyes. I have contacts in my eyes
I know.
right now.
So if you have contacts in your eyes,
like you could literally, I have my prescription in my car.
okay.
So please mark that down. She
I
said
did.
I drove the wrong way.
No, but I'm asking right now though. Can you see me?
No, I cannot see.
You can't see me.
I cannot see.
But earlier you just said you could see.
I said I cannot see.
And you said you had contacts and you could see.
I said I cannot see. I said I have contacts in my eyes.
I could see them in your eyes.
You can see them, right?
Yeah.
So how can you?
How could you not see with contacts?
Because they're blurry. They're blurry. I cannot see right now.
Do you need eye drops?
Yes. She said I drove the wrong way.
Okay,
I cannot see.
But right now, do you need eye drops?
Yes, I do. They're in my car.
The female driver agreed to undergo the test, but her unpredictable demeanor and conflicting responses to police only heightened the uncertainty and made the story harder to accept.
Right your feet, please. Thank you. I'm gonna fix this real quick. Hold on.
I took my money on my card to go there.
So I'll tell you in a second. We're gonna put it in your property when you at the jail, okay? So you get to keep it, so nobody takes it. Nothing under your bra or anything.
In Florida, driving under the influence DUI is severely penalized. Fines range from $500.00 to $1,000.00 with up to 6 months in jail and a license suspension of 6 months to 1 year. After completing the test, she was convicted of driving under the influence and taken to a DUI detention center. Offenses that might seem small, like drunk driving or refusing police orders, can swiftly spiral into major legal problems. Stay sober, follow directions, and take ownership, because the decisions you make now could define your whole future. These girls are living proof that today is one of the worst days of their lives. The police arrived at the scene after receiving reports of a brawl involving a large group of people. A tense confrontation was on the verge of exploding. Who would be handcuffed first?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Who belongs here? Okay, everybody else needs to leave, or else I'm gonna arrest you for disorderly conduct. Please, he doesn't need to apologize to anybody. Please, or you're gonna fix it. Please, or I'm gonna arrest you for disorderly conduct right now.
They were being disorderly with us. They were being
Step over here.
I'm talking. Don't touch me.
We're separate.
I know by law I'm allowed to say what I can by freedom of speech.
That doesn't matter.
And I'm not
Hands on her. People are hands on
talking to him.
But let us talk
There's
to
a
you
difference.
separate.
No.
Separate.
I was talking to him as an adult and he was understanding.
That
There was a
doesn't matter.
difference.
Right now, we're separating.
No.
We'll figure it out.
Right. She's a whole minor.
Go this way.
What are you talking about, bro? He gonna put hands on her. You're not even doing your job. That's racist.
The police found themselves in the middle of a battlefield of words, a confrontation that no one truly had control over. That was the moment things began to spiral out of control.
You know it's racist. You know it's racist.
How?
I'm not. What are you talking about? Because they're f***ing white. They're white.
I don't know
One
who these
black
are.
man.
I don't
What are you
know who they
talking about? We're sitting here telling you
Let
exactly
me
what the
investigate.
Stop yelling. I'm trying to listen to him.
No, it's freedom of speech. It's freedom of speech.
It's okay. He got her.
What's going on?
It's okay. He put hands on her. He touched her.
Who?
That guy right there. He touched her. Put hands on her.
Okay.
Are you? Don't get off
Let's walk to my car.
No, for real though, if anything on it,
No. That's what I said. Let's figure it out.
When everyone spoke up and each story veered in a different direction, the truth became increasingly unclear. The police had to follow each testimony piece by piece to uncover the accurate puzzle piece.
I was walking the dog. There was like 5 or 6 of them coming over like they were just going to beat somebody's ass.
Yeah, that's what we're made aware of so far. Listen, just calm down. They're still figuring out what's going on with him.
No,
As you can
what I
see,
want to
still
know
over
is
here.
why did y'all lock her up? She didn't do shit.
She's not under arrest right now. She's
Okay,
just in
so
the car.
I'm going to let her.
Y'all arrested her.
got.
Y'all put cuffs on her.
Listen,
Why the
calm
f*** y'all put cuffs on her?
You got ID on you guys?
No. Why the f*** would I have an ID on me?
When we come over here, just because someone says, hey, he hit me, doesn't mean we have to go immediately to handcuffing that guy. We have to figure out what happened. Because she was not cooperating with us, she was impeding on our investigation.
That's why
that girl over there, and he did it over there.
He pushed her and put hands on her. Like there
What
was
started that?
Because his wife or whatever the hell she is to him.
Yes.
When it started talking shit to us, like if we weren't gonna do anything, and then Chi came out.
The police arrived at the scene, separated the group, and took control of the situation. When accusations of racism were raised, what truth would be revealed?
You cannot put hands on me. You cannot put hands on me. You cannot put hands on me. Don't touch me. Hey,
What
touch me. If y'all come out, no. Get your fucking hands off me. Get your fucking hands off me.
Right now, you're resisting.
What did she
Let
do?
go of her.
Why is she getting arrested? What did she do?
Get off me. Get the fuck off me. I'm not fucking playing with you.
Stop. All right.
I'm not fucking playing with you. No. I'm not fucking playing with you.
Police made efforts to separate individuals for questioning, but were repeatedly interrupted and harassed by those involved, making the investigation increasingly difficult.
She put her hands on multiple cops. I got her way fucking in the fucking
They
sand
got
or grass or
involved
whatever.
and killed
She
the
didn't touch
girl and
nobody.
the
So why
female.
is she in the car right now? She didn't put her hands on nobody. I
Was
had
I over
her
there?
in my hands.
That's
Not even handcuffs.
because we can't put handcuffs on until we've confirmed this. Okay, so that's why I'm getting your side of the story. Don't worry about them right now. I need to talk to you about this.
I am worried about them because I'm gonna have to bail their asses out. He should be in handcuffs for putting hands on her. She's only 20. He's a grown ass man.
Yep, and I'm gonna talk to you. So I want you guys to hang out here while I
I'm
go
about to
talk.
follow y'all. I gotta get her out.
Yeah, we're gonna have to bail them out.
No, I'm gonna go over there
Are
and
you
talk
guys?
to him.
I'm
saying
asking you, are you gonna arrest them?
when you get pushed, shoved, touched,
It was
anything
just
like that.
like from about this distance, then they walk it up, yada yada yada. Then it's like, okay, back up that way.
Did they get up to your face?
Oh no, they ain't get up in my face.
Did any two people get up in each other's faces during that whole altercation?
Yeah, I think it was the girl that is in the front car and
The white shirt girl?
yeah, and I think.
The sisters were taken into custody after assaulting police officers and refusing to cooperate. They were charged with disorderly conduct and resisting law enforcement. A dramatic confrontation outside a Subway restaurant led to a woman being charged with aggravated battery after intentionally striking another woman with her car. The incident was sparked by the girlfriend's jealousy over suspected infidelity. What caused the situation to escalate so dangerously?
Kayla, did she hit you on accident?
Can my mom come right now?
Yeah.
Where are we?
We're at Parker and Southern.
We're on Parker and Southern at a Subway.
What happened? You were walking.
You need to talk to them and tell them what's going on.
I jumped out of a car and she hit me.
She hit you?
So she jumped out of the car?
She jumped out of the car.
Yeah. And then she got hit by the car. That's what she's saying.
Oh my God, Mom, I'm so sorry. Oh my God.
Talk to me.
This all right here hurts so bad. I tried to move some, but it hurts. Oh my God, why me?
Delta 2, Delta 6, copy that music.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
You have an ID?
I got it for you.
You jumped out of another car?
I got your phone.
And this car hit you? Is that what
We're
happened?
gonna take us in there. We're gonna hang up now, okay?
Delta 2, loud music. 1651 went to
Did you
pool.
jump out of another vehicle?
Love party.
You did? What?
Because he told me to.
Okay.
And I
Jealousy led a woman to follow her boyfriend, confronting the other woman, which escalated into a violent incident. The girlfriend struck the woman with her car, causing injury. What led her to drive recklessly, resulting in an aggravated battery charge?
I was following my friend, and she got out the car, and like I kept driving, and I guess it's sort of like, and then like I felt like,
Where were you?
no, like I was like I kept driving.
Where
and then
where
here,
were you?
this area.
So you pulled
So then, like,
pulled in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
That way. But then like I turned around.
Pulled in,
Yeah.
dropped off.
No, I was driving
Somebody.
behind my friend. And
Okay.
then she came out his car. But I just kept driving to follow him. And like
Where did she come from?
the car.
You're gonna have to explain this a little better.
So you was coming in this parking lot right here, right, Colette? Colette, it's fine. Okay. Do you need medics to check you out?
No, I didn't get hurt.
Okay.
I didn't get hurt.
Okay. He has it. So you was off of Belvedere. You was cutting this way, right?
Following a friend, yeah.
Okay. And then what happened?
And she hopped out the car.
Like near the dumpster?
Right here. And I just kept driving, but she hopped out.
So she hopped out the car that was going into traffic or was already traveling?
So I was following the car still.
Okay. She hopped out with the back seat or the passenger side? The back seat passenger side or back seat driver side? Jumped out the car.
And then I felt like I hit her and I backed up. I was like, oh shit. So I went to turn around. Cause like,
You
I'm not gonna like leave her there.
Right. Do you know like what part of your car you felt that hit her?
Right.
And you didn't hit another car, you just hit her?
Officers found inconsistencies in the girlfriend's story, including her claim of not knowing the other woman while following her boyfriend. They also discovered a prior collision, raising concerns about her control over the vehicle, what prompted her to act intentionally, leading to her arrest for aggravated battery.
It was a guy or a girl? He's not gonna come back for you? Why wouldn't he come back for you?
Upset, like, cause like I don't know why I do that. And I understand, like.
I mean, that was his friend though, right? He knew the girl. Is that like a boyfriend of yours? The guy you was following, that was a boyfriend?
I didn't know she was in the car. He was just like, oh, like follow me, da da da, like.
Is that who? So who's the girl that he was with? Somebody who he's dating now, or?
No, because we were just hanging out today. So.
You guys were hanging out earlier today? Did you see her in the car?
The girlfriend appeared confused and fearful, unsure if she was under arrest, but informed she was being detained. She claimed her boyfriend had been driving and tried calling him back, but he didn't return. Her distress grew as she realized the severity of the charges she faced.
But if you come, you can come pick it up.
Go ahead and put your hands
You're arrested for aggravated battery, okay? No.
If you keep your hands together, like this.
Aggravated battery?
Yes, that's all the questions you're gonna have to ask him. Yeah, okay?
Do you have anything in your pockets?
I think so. I have
All
my
right,
house key in there.
She's right here.
She's about to be detained. Taken with us.
It's not a DUI?
No, not a DUI.
Oh, okay. Is she going to be arrested?
Yes.
Okay, why?
Battery. 31. But that's your guys' place to talk about that stuff. So I'll let her.
No, what I'm saying is this. It just, and I know you can only tell me so much. Should I be in a position to attempt to bail her out?
Yes.
Okay. Is there any information you can tell me as to what
She'll be able to call you from inside. You know his number off the top of your head, right? She'll be able to call you from inside and give you the bail amount. You'll have to see a judge, so it may not be until tomorrow. Do you have arrest history?
The woman was arrested for aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, given a no-contact order with the victim and her boyfriend. She faced potential jail time, fines, and license loss, but the charges were later dismissed. This dismissal sparked debate about intent and premeditation in similar cases.
I don't know.
All right, we'll see you when you get here then.
I don't know if it was aggravated, but I have turned around to like help her. That's not what I'm understanding.
You want me to take all the pictures of front sides?
If you want to, I'll take her back to HQ.
Start with tag.
tag and then work counterclockwise?
All the way around 360 around the car, and then make sure you get wide.
I'm going to apologize in advance. I'm embarrassingly blind.
And what's her relationship?
We're just friends. We're good friends. And known her
From a legal standpoint, the girlfriend's actions fall under aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, as defined under Chapter 784 of the Florida statutes. Specifically, Section 784.045 defines aggravated battery as intentionally inflicting great bodily harm, permanent disability, or permanent disfigurement with a weapon. In this case, the vehicle served as the weapon, which greatly elevated the severity of the charge. Penalties for aggravated battery with a deadly weapon can include up to 15 years in prison, 15 years of probation, and significant fines. The law treats such offenses with great seriousness due to the potential harm involved, particularly when a vehicle is used as the weapon. In this case, the charges were ultimately dismissed, but the legal implications could have been severe. The no-contact order placed upon the woman indicates that the court was aware of the potential for future conflict, especially in light of the emotional and physical harm caused by the altercation. This case emphasizes the consequences of a woman violate the law. Unruly behavior, as highlighted next, frequently results in avoidable repercussions. On July 21, 2024, a domestic dispute in Florida escalated into a violent situation involving a pregnant woman, her partner, and her elderly father. The disagreement over cleaning responsibilities led to physical confrontations, and charges later dropped. What caused such a minor issue to spiral into a violent confrontation?
We were having a dispute, man, and she has known issues back in the past. She deals with, and she's been warded off, and she's been pretty good lately. But lately, we have disputes, and she gets violent, and as a man, you try to run from that shit. You don't want to get mixed up with that. But I went to the back. She locked me out the house. I was trying to go in through the back. You could tell I opened the screen to go inside. You know? And I told her not to lock me again,
Yeah.
I did, That's when I told her not to lock me up again, and I got to her face, which I did.
Yeah.
And then she felt threatened, which I understood, And then I told her it's fine. She just got violent from there,
So, by violent, what do you mean?
Well, I mean, like trying to push and punch, And I try to hold her back, or like withhold her back. That's her dad right there. Okay. She got upset that she didn't call you guys, but he knows the situation. That's her dad.
Yeah.
That's her dad.
Yeah.
So.
And you all stay here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't know what happened. She locked the door, and then I heard an owl. I opened the door, and then he was bleeding. So I'm guessing he hit her. She hit him, or whatever.
Okay. Has she been violent in the past?
Well, yeah, she has a history, but I don't want issues. I don't want to press no charges. I don't want, And I did have to get physical with her. What I mean by physical, it's like pushing her towards her room and away from her dad,
Yeah,
and,
I gotcha.
And it's with the kids, and this sucks.
How many kids you all got together?
2, and then on the way.
Okay.
And that might be part of it, it's also hormonal and all that, but...
Yeah. Is she taking a medication or anything like that?
No, but she should.
So tell me again how the argument happened.
Because she was upset over something.
The altercation began with a trivial dispute over cleaning, but escalated when the pregnant woman became aggressive, locking her partner out. The situation intensified, involving her elderly father, leading to injuries when she tried to seize his phone. What drove the situation to spiral so violently from a minor issue?
Going through the house searching for his phone, and I didn't have it. I don't know where it is. I still don't know where it is. And he walked out the door and came back in. And did it again on the couch and choked me and told me to give it to him, give me his phone. And all I had to do was give him his phone and he would leave. And I told him, I don't know where your phone is, and if you do that again, I'm gonna... And then I was looking around the house for his phone too, because I just wanted him to leave because it was upsetting the kids.
I gotcha. So how'd your dad get the cut on this?
I don't know. There was a scuffle when I was pounding on his room. He had the door locked and he was minding his business, and I was telling him, "Can I use your phone?" Like, he took my phone away and he wouldn't give it back. "Can I use your phone?" And I was hitting the door, and finally he opened it, and he had his phone in his hand, and I was telling him. The kids are screaming. I had one baby in my hand, and he was like looking at me strange. He was looking at me strange and not responding, telling me basically like, no, you're not gonna call the cops. I'm like, why? Like, I'm scared, just do it. Like, I'm scared. And he wouldn't give me his phone, and I was reaching for his phone, and we were pushing each other. We were pushing each other back and forth.
Who's we?
Me and my dad.
Okay.
Trying to get the phone, and all three of us were like pushing each other, trying to get the phone, and yeah. And then finally, Johnny gave me my phone back, and that's when I called, because they did not think I was going to, and I was like, I am.
Police received conflicting accounts after the altercation, with the woman claiming her partner choked her, while others stated she was the aggressor. Physical evidence, including her father's injuries, added complexity to the case. Officers investigated thoroughly, scrutinizing her claims amid the conflicting statements.
When I was a teenager, that's what he was
You don't take
saying,
any medication. You don't take any medication. You're not diagnosed with anything.
No, I've just been pregnant for 3 years straight, back to back to back. And I knew he was. That's why I always avoid any.
Please be advised, there's going to be a 2-month-old child. Was accidentally given until ibuprofen.
Tried to sue. But there's something wrong with me.
No, I'm asking you to evaluate your mental health status right now.
I did not want my dad to get hurt and all of this. It's for him.
Put him in front. She's pregnant.
Wait, what? Wait. Why? I did not hurt anyone.
Well, here's the thing. You know when you started banging on the door and fighting with your dad?
I was not fighting with him. I was knocking on the door asking for help.
Okay, you told us you were pushing each other back and forth, right? You had your child.
I got pushed. No.
That's not what you said.
I got pushed. I was reaching for the phone and I got pushed off.
You were all pushing each other. You have a child. You have a responsibility to protect that child.
You are right. That's why I'm looking for you guys. You're right.
You have your business like that.
So she's gonna check to make sure you don't got any weapons or anything on you.
Tara,
am I being charged with child endangerment?
Do you have any drugs or narcotics or any legal items?
No. I do.
Do me a favor. Take a picture of her neck.
I was just trying to protect my kids. That's all I wanted. I'm sorry.
We don't do that business while we're holding kids.
I don't have my own.
I have
Let me.
You understand what I'm saying?
I was scared.
You hear what I'm saying?
I'll get my phone because I got to upload.
A heavily pregnant woman was arrested for battery on her fiancé, battery on her elderly father, and child endangerment for holding her child during the altercation. Police determined her actions posed serious risks to both her father and child. She was detained and taken to jail to face the charges. These cases highlight the importance of cooperating with law enforcement and taking responsibility for public safety. They remind us of the legal and personal risks involved in assaulting police and resisting arrest.
When she realized that she had hit a minor and had hitting a minor and abused me, she made sure that we're not saying that you're a bad person, but let's all hit her head. I'm here to pick up my best friend who is obviously in an abusive situation. Her mother busted my lip.
There's a person here with a gun still?
Yeah, she left.
Where's she?
I have no clue. When she realized that she had hit a minor and had hitting a minor and abused me, she made sure that she had left.
Do you know what she's driving? Have y'all been here the whole time?
I went to go pick up my girlfriend who had shown me. She busted my lip. She busted my lip. The woman, this is my fiance. She came and grabbed me out of my car by the head of my hair, busted my lip, started punching me, started beating the out of me for no reason. I didn't do nothing. I was just trying to get her daughter out of this abusive situation. She's 18 years old. Her daughter is 18 years old. She's not a minor. You know what I'm saying?
You're friends with this 18-year-old, and the 18-year-old mother
came to my car, pulled me out of the car by the hair of my head, grabbed my fiance by the hair of his head, pulled him out, hit him, hit me too. You can see my busted lip, baby.
Yeah,
you can see it.
Yeah.
I'm sure. She hit me upside the head, busted me upside the side of my door. My car is right there. She busted me upside. She literally beat my head on the side of the car door. This woman is 45 years old. I'm not doing this with this woman. You know what I'm saying? I'm 17 years old. I'm not doing this with this woman. She had to pull the grown woman off of me. I'm not.
So what happened with you? What did she do to you?
She started hitting him and grabbing him off of me.
She grabbed me by the head, so I got out of the car.
And pulled him out.
And I went all the way to and grabbed me.
From a crying and begging victim to someone facing jail, Time for a few text messages. What pushed this girl past the point of no return?
Here, you get to an argument. Did you get to an argument on the phone?
I had gotten into the car and Allie was trying to get the rest of her stuff out of my car.
So did Allie leave with you?
No, ma'am. I did not take her with me.
So she was bringing her stuff.
She was in this parking lot. You see where that van's over there with a light, with the headlights are? That's where I was parked, right over there. You see where these bushes are, ma'am?
Just a second, hold on.
All right, so
My
tell me.
girlfriend called, and I'm aware that she additional firearm. I had just left work because
Let's get that clear. We need to know where the firearm is.
I have firearms, but not on me.
No. You said she's in possession of the firearm.
She is. It's out in
That
the
female
car.
there.
It's out in the car. But she was saying that she was going to come up. I heard it over the phone. She said she was going to come up and I would kill her. And I had already left work at the time, she said, because my best friend just died over here. I was dealing with that. And then I get a phone call and said, this is going.
And you were not.
Yes, I called too. I know that they called, but I called too because I didn't know that whether they called the police or not. She said she was on the way to kill me. She was about to leave and come kill me up to where I was. And so my girlfriend's mom said, no, you're not. And they got into a verbal argument. I believe she was the aggressor.
She says she's a Buddhist, that all lives are precious. But in the hands of the police, the only thing that matters is electronic evidence.
I was trying to calm her down. Well, that's when she was something about the boyfriend, and I'm gonna go kill him myself. And he got all kind of fired up and keyed up, and then some kind of altercation went on at the car over there.
Okay.
And that's when I called you guys, and I was like, look, this has gone too far.
Yeah, most definitely.
So that's about it. But yeah, the threatening of the weapons and drugs was what was a little concerning to me, because, you know, she doesn't look that old.
Right.
So
Did you happen to see
who
flew through the first punch or pulled hair or whatever?
It was getting dark, you know.
Fair enough.
I mean, I'm trying to stay out of as much as I can,
Oh, yeah,
but I live in a fishbowl, so I saw everything.
Definitely understand.
But the two girls are friends, I think. That's
From
what
my
it
understanding,
sounded
it
like.
sounds like it is in some way, shape, or form. But
Yeah, but nothing to see who actually started it, but that girl doesn't live here. And she's the one who came here and was screaming and yelling and carrying on. I was like, oh my God, it's Sunday evening. What is going on?
So let's just talk about, possible threatening text messages or something.
Yeah, because she started calling and blowing me up. She was outside my door trying to beat my ass.
Can I see those?
Yes, you can. And she just texted me, they know you're Addie, either come back now or deal with it tomorrow.
What if I see your phone? Okay, do you mind if I scroll up?
Yes, I'll take you to the very top.
Sounds good to me.
I have a gun and I'll be back tomorrow. You're lucky.
We can take her to jail.
I had already told her times to leave my house.
Yeah, because even the neighbors heard that she had a gun in the back of her trunk.
The lady that called her.
And she has been to prison before, by the way.
A rescue your friend from a toxic family case turns into a multi-pronged battle. Violence, threats, and accusations that challenge the law. But it all boils down to one night in jail.
For putting his hands on Allison. I said, Andrew has never put his hands on Allison. And I said, Allison and Andrew's relationship is none of your business. You need to get up out of here. And she just rolled her eyes back in her head and leaned back on the bed. I said, and what is wrong with you? I said, what have you been doing? So I put my shoes on and I came straight down, and she was over there screaming and hollering, I have a gun, I'll go down there and I'll shoot him. And I walked over there and I told her, I said, Madison, I said, you're not going nowhere. And she opened her door up like she was going to get out. And I stepped around off of the curb, and she kicked me in the stomach, and I bent over and she grabbed me by the hair and pulled me in her car and just kept kicking, and I was trying to get her off of me, and then she grabbed her and tried to push her off of me, and then her boyfriend, he reached over top of both me and her and was trying to push Allison out the car. Great threats. Yeah, mine is turn around.
It's for threats to kill.
Via text.
Written or electronic threats to kill.
Zeke, they're arresting me.
You can't arrest her. She got assaulted.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, we can. For what? We have evidence of it. Evidence of what?
I'm going to tell you this too, okay? You've been pretty good. So, I know, I need you to listen to me. Listen to me.
I don't know, I'll let you know as soon as I find out, man. She got attacked in her car, and you're gonna arrest her?
Listen to me. We are taking you to DJJ. You are getting arrested for this, and this is a felony, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
A 40-year-old woman came and grabbed her out of her car, and you
I understand that. So you also need to know this. Being charged at 17 years old with a felony, it could go worse for you, all right? So listen to me, right? We're gonna put you patted her down really good, right? All right. We're gonna put you in her car.
Please,
back.
please just get my fiance one last night before I go to prison. Please.
Hey man, Joe's here. You go over there, okay?
I can't go talk to her.
Not right now. Let's talk to her before she leaves, okay?
She didn't do anything wrong. What did she do wrong?
I threatened her life, apparently. Please just give me a hug.
Come over here and give you a hug. Don't do anything stupid. Do not do anything stupid.
All right, say bye. I do not. No, ma'am.
Where is she going?
To DJ. All right, let's let her go so we can get her in the car. We got to do paperwork.
Under Flores Statutes 836.1, threatening to kill someone in writing or electronically is punishable by up to 15 years in prison and/or a fine of up to $10.00. Michelle Madison was charged with threatening to kill someone via text message, a felony that could result in years in prison if prosecuted as an adult. The 45-year-old woman, your mother, was charged with assault and child abuse, with the act of dragging a young woman out of a car and assaulting her being considered aggravated because the victim was a minor. An Amazon employee was handcuffed in the middle of a warehouse just because he showed up for work on the right day. So what really happened?
I'm not. Oh my God.
January 23rd, 2025. Dayton Airport police were called to an Amazon warehouse after a request to leave the workplace was ignored. Both security and police were activated, and the ending was unexpected.
You can cancel checks. I'm good. I'm sorry, how long has she been?
Since about November.
Okay. Is she still seasonal?
Yes. She's right here. Officer Sachs is here to export you off the building.
I have to that before. Why would I get escorted out?
Diamond, because we just had this conversation, remember? I asked you to nicely come off the floor and you refused. I said, do I need to call the police? And you said, I'm a grown woman. Would you like to do this 12 seconds? So we can have to escort you off of the premise.
Why would I get escorted out?
Because you are not scheduled. And you are refusing to leave.
I have a picture that I'm scheduled.
Diamond, you do not. I explained to you that was yesterday's shift.
No.
Please put away your car.
Do you want to see the proof that I'm scheduled?
No, ma'am.
Like if I wasn't on schedule.
Diamond, I'm not going to continue having this conversation with you. I explained to you in detail. I showed you your schedule. I showed you the proof that you were not here. I understand it's a misunderstanding, but you are being insubordinate and might ask you how you leave the site.
How am I being insubordinate?
Because I have asked you multiple times to clock out and go home.
I just told you I have proof. And
I'm not having an argument with you. Officer Sachs is going to help me escort you.
You can just gather up your stuff and leave.
No, I just need your device and your badge, please. Diamond, I don't need to see your proof.
Ma'am.
I'm about to show her. Then I have proof that I'm supposed to be here.
She insisted she was on duty, they insisted otherwise. But when everyone is right who is being arrested...
How long is it going to take? Because I cannot wait all day. I'm not going to wait all day, ma'am. What are you looking at?
And my schedule.
And are you supposed to be here today? Where does it say that?
We do have the schedule pulled up where it shows that she's not scheduled.
Can you show me, please? Because she's not cooperating.
So we can verify the name.
I'm sorry, his computer is very tiny.
I asked her, has not trespassing been authorized?
I have been authorized to get you on site. I can call and verify.
Ma'am, are you making any progress? Ma'am, you've told me that several times. I asked if you're making progress.
She said I have the authorization. You have the authorization to trespass.
Okay, can you say that in a definitive? Did you want to trespass?
Yes.
Okay. Can I have your attention?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the situation. You either leave or they're trespassing you. If you don't leave them, it means you have to leave. You do not have a choice.
A phone, an employee card, and a decision to not leave. 3 things that brought the girl into legal trouble.
they trespass you, you have to leave. If you do not leave,
I thought that was if I'm not on the schedule. I'm actually on
the schedule has nothing to do with it,
Yes, it do.
ma'am.
What am I trespassing for? I'm not bothering nobody.
They
I'm just
have
doing
told you to leave for the day.
But I'm supposed to be on the schedule. So as
That
soon
is
as
irrelevant.
My schedule is about to be up.
That is irrelevant.
So I will leave as soon as it's over.
That is irrelevant. You need to leave. If you do not leave, you can be arrested for trespassing.
How can I be arrested for trespassing?
Because I will arrest you. Ma'am, yes or no, are you going to leave voluntarily or are you going to be arrested for trespassing?
How am I be arrested when I'm on the schedule? That doesn't make
Whether you're on the schedule or not is irrelevant to me.
How am I being trusted? That's not making sense.
Last time I'm asking.
What am I being
Last time I'm asking,
What am
ma'am,
I
are
being-
you going to leave
I'm
voluntarily
just
or not?
I'm asking, what am I being trusted?
You're under arrest for trespassing.
Sir?
Ma'am?
Get off of me. I'm not doing
You
it.
are under arrest for
You are
trespassing.
not. No.
Yes.
Why am I trespassing? Because I'm supposed to be on the
They've
property.
said you need to leave.
Sir, I'm walking over. Please don't touch me. What are you doing? I'm not doing anything to you, sir. I'm not. I'm just on the front. Oh my God. Are you serious?
Yes. Put the phone down. Put the phone
No.
down. Then turn over.
For what?
You are under arrest.
I'm on the schedule.
You are under arrest for trespassing.
I'm
and
on-
not complying.
Sir, I'm on the schedule. What's wrong with you? Sir, what's wrong with you?
You're under arrest for trespassing.
I'm not doing anything, sir. I'm not touching you. I'm not yelling.
You're under arrest for trespassing.
How am I? I'm about to. I'll leave. I'm on the schedule,
Too late.
sir. You're arresting me from being on this schedule. Can you take this on here? Can you take this on? Okay.
Put your arm behind your back.
You're arresting me for what?
Trespassing.
For trespassing.
You were asked multiple times to leave.
From arguing about work schedules to being dragged out of a warehouse in handcuffs, where is the line between entitlement and disobedience?
For violation of trespass.
Central.
I'm on the schedule. How am I being trespassed for working? I have a badge. How you gonna trespass somebody who has a badge? Can I call my mom?
No.
I cannot call my mom.
No.
And I'm supposed to be here.
You can call her after things have been worked out.
What needs to be worked out? I'm on the schedule. You're putting me out for being on the schedule. How you gonna trespass somebody?
Hey, Mitch.
What's going on? This gentleman was asking for your private information.
A copy of the personal information she's provided Amazon. And then I'll be needing a statement from you. How late do you work today? For a couple hours?
Till 1:30, yeah. I can go get that thing on my computer. And then I just need a report number for my loss prevention team.
Okay.
So let me grab my computer and I'll be right back with that info.
We're just refusing to get up? Or are we just, what are we?
She's under arrest for trespass. She's not supposed to be here today. She's refusing to leave the floor. Refused to leave.
Perfect.
So at this point, I was just waiting for backup so I can go through her purse to try and find an ID.
Okay.
Do you have a Miranda card on you?
No,
We'll take care of it in the car. Yep.
Dispatch. All units. EWS is completed.
Just do me a favor, roll over towards this knee, play it on the ground, and I'll help you get up.
20 clear, just information. I'll be en route to that. Unlike that, Tuskegee Gate.
Sir, can I ask you to hold these items, these personal items? Is that glove hers or? Well, we will need the items.
Okay. You want me
Yeah.
to just hold on?
20 to dispatch, just information for the log. One was turned away. One was allowed to gain entry. Not the door.
Okay, does she have a second one?
People and having that search.
Looks like she's wearing it.
Okay.
So she can take it like this.
We can get it. There you go. And then if you could hand me for personal items. Yep.
Police conducted a search, seized personal property, and placed Diamond in a patrol car. She was arrested for trespassing, an offense that can result in civil or criminal penalties depending on the severity of the violation and her legal history. Gunfire erupted in an Ohio apartment complex stemming from a heated dispute between two women over a man. The chaos left the community shaken as suspects fled the scene. How do personal conflicts escalate to such dangerous levels?
I know about him. His name is, he goes by New York. He's been around here for a few years. I know you guys have arrested him a couple times. And he walks to the length and he got shot a couple years ago.
Do you know the girl saying that's staying there?
I have no idea. I don't even know her.
It sound like?
I just sitting there talking to my girl in there. Next thing you know, I hear a few shots. I see her screaming and on the phone. Go to check on the kids. When I come back, she's pulling out, and I didn't see him. But he walks with a limp. He used to have long hair. He cut his hair. He's from Youngstown too. But I know he goes by New York. That's about all I know.
It was two girls almost shooting at each other.
Two girls?
Yeah. That's what kind of a couple people said they saw.
Oh.
Shooting back after she was getting shot at, kind of thing. It's kind of what we're getting right now. Again, I don't know 100%. That's kind of what we're trying to figure all out here.
There was a guy over there, and they had a screaming match the other day, and I know it was a car full of people that pulled up. I didn't see them get out or nothing, but just a whole bunch of commotion and they left.
Yeah.
So I figured it must have just escalated.
And it might have, carried over today.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think there was a call or something about, did something pop up rounds that day? Or?
It might have been maybe one. I'm not sure, I wasn't here.
Okay.
But my mom, she stayed over there. She was like, I don't know.
The confrontation spiraled into chaos as witnesses reported a shootout between the two women, with bullets striking nearby buildings. The arrival of a car added to the volatile scene, intensifying the argument. How can such disputes escalate into such reckless and dangerous acts?
It's been an ongoing problem. You see, this is my car right here. She shot at my car.
Yeah,
I got a bullet hole in the back of my window. Like
that too. One's in the back bumper too.
Then I got a snowflake. I got a snowflake on the other side.
And this is your new mom?
This is my new girl. I'm trying to make my life hell, bro. She grazed me with the one bullet. Like when she shot my car, bro, she grazed. I called the police. They didn't do shit. They didn't do shit. They didn't do nothing. What is it gonna take for somebody to get hurt for them to do something, bro? Did
you make a report when they
wouldn't even take it? No, they didn't do nothing, bro.
Did you talk to Akron police?
Yeah.
Do you think she went back to Nadia?
Yeah.
What kind of car is that?
Robbery.
Hey, he said she might be at 1066 Nadia. That's where she lives. Maybe I'll just drive over there and see if it's there. He said she lives at 1066 Nadia. So I'm just gonna go drive by.
I must have on my unmarked. Pull up the clock again, but this time with a black Malibu. Where's Brian?
Yeah, he said he made a report earlier. She shot at him before and the cops didn't do anything.
Where did she shoot at you at? Over on Nadia? When was that?
This was like probably a month ago, because I've been in the halfway house for like a month.
The two women had a history of violent conflicts, with one linked to a prior shooting just a month earlier. Inadequate intervention allowed tensions to escalate, culminating in this dangerous incident. How can recurring violence like this be prevented?
So she's in the second space.
Yes, she was like,
you asked her what she's doing here.
Yes, she was like, I'm not coming over here for you, but if you want to start shooting, we can. So I didn't shoot. She went over, reached over to wherever that, like the passenger seat, reached over there, grabbed her gun, rolled her window down, started shooting. After the passenger side started shooting, then that's when I shot back at her. Shot about like probably 8 or either 7 or 8, and then she shot like multiple times. Just kept shooting.
You stay here, right?
Yes, I do.
I thought she was like your friend.
No, she is not my friend. She's his baby mother. I was getting along so that he could see his kid with her, but then I called up to y'all multiple times about her. Y'all said that I have to have video proof for y'all to even do anything about her doing any of the shit that she does. And I still have I don't have no video proof, so I don't know if y'all gonna do y'all job or what's gonna happen. Oh, that happened like a month ago, and we called y'all about it too, and nothing happened. Yeah.
The first time, I only ever came out that one time.
Yeah, and she was jumping on his car and everything. We saw her doing that, kicking on the car, all of that.
No, I saw her sit on the hood, and then I was like, hey, I can't stay here. Yeah. She was like, oh, me and her, cool. She watches my kid and whatnot.
Yeah, when we were a crew, but now she still wants to be with him, and he don't want to be with her. He's with me, and she just been, I don't know, crazy, psycho. Keep coming to my house, keep starting shit, all of that.
You have to tell him that whole thing.
Do you have any other firearms that you own?
No, I do not.
The woman involved in the shooting was detained by police, claiming she fired back in self-defense after being shot. At first, witness accounts disputed her story, and investigators found the firearm was unregistered and concealed in her purse. Without proper documentation,
I just went to the laundry, man. I actually have an interview to make in a second.
You want to talk to us about what happened earlier?
No.
Yeah. What's your social? Well, why don't you stand up, spin around for me?
Why am I under?
You can just release your hands, please. I'll tell you one second. If we get in the car, I'll explain things to you, and I'll talk to you in the car in private.
Am I not, do I not have the right to know before I'm being arrested?
Sure.
What am I being arrested
I'll tell you in the car, man.
Why do I have to wait till we get to the car?
Because I'm not going to air your business out here in front of everybody. That's
Oh, nobody's here. Nobody even lives up here but this door.
Is you share the apartment with somebody else, or who's going to watch those kids in there?
They'll go. My sister's in there.
Your sister's in with the kids?
Yes.
Are they your kids, or her kids, or whose? Her kids?
Whose kids?
They bless us. Okay, all right. Just to make sure your kids are taken care of.
Mine needs a break.
I'll try and keep you on the
I was
smooth
about to say, I
scene.
don't have no shoes.
Yep,
I look down and make sure I don't step on my glass.
I was going to do the same thing for you and look out for you. I don't want you cutting yourself or getting any...
I don't believe it.
Yes, not trying to be a weirdo or anything, just check to make sure. Hold on. Nothing in your front waistband?
No.
Okay.
The investigation revealed the man involved had a significant role in the conflict. A convicted felon with a history of violence, he was found to have possessed the firearm and given it to the woman. He was charged with tampering with evidence and illegal firearm possession.
I think 3.
Are they yours?
2.
2 are yours. Who's the other one going to? I guess my big question is, are there any other adults up there?
Yeah, my sister, Jamilia Havidullah, she's 19, Asia, and
a dude and her other sister came walking up and said that I asked about the kids, and they're like, our kids will be taken care of, don't worry about it. So, kids.
So listen, here's the bottom line. You have kids up there, there's more people up there. We know if some incident took place right around the corner, right? What happened? What happened? What's this all over? Nobody got hurt.
Not even her. I did not go there on any drama with her. I was not doing anything to her. I didn't even exit the vehicle that I was in. Me and my child's father, 2 weeks ago, we had an agreement that I would pay his phone bill for him until he got paid that Friday. Well, I did not go and get my money, so I had to not get it, which will be till this week. Well, this week comes, and me and him was arguing. What did we argue about? Because his other child's mother in PA, she's on drugs, and she has 5 kids, and his daughter is not being sufficiently taken care of. And he was like, just making it like it was a big deal. He's so sad and down about it. And I'm like, she's been on drugs since I've been on you. I've been with you for 3 years. You've done nothing as a father to do anything to get her, or I don't want to hear that I'm sad stuff, because you, first of all, when you came here, you were messed up. I tried to help you get on your feet. Then you, instead of taking the help, you went down there, manipulated her, and now you're like trying to turn me and her against together. I'm trying to talk to her and tell her that he's still trying to be back and forth between the two.
Trying to play you both.
Yeah, and then
The actions of the individuals involved in this incident led to serious legal consequences. The women are facing charges for improperly discharging a firearm into an occupied structure under Ohio law. This offense is outlined in Ohio Revised Code, Section 29-23-2, which prohibits the discharge of a firearm in or near occupied buildings. If convicted, individuals can face severe penalties, including up to 11 years in prison, depending on the circumstances and prior criminal history. In addition to the firearms charge, the man involved faces charges for tampering with evidence and possession of a firearm as a convicted felon, which is a serious criminal offense. Under Ohio Revised Code, Section 2923.13, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon is a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 30 to 6 months in prison. Tampering with evidence outlined in Section 2921.12 can result in further imprisonment. This situation underscores the importance of respecting law enforcement, as a woman's assault on police can lead to severe consequences. The next case highlights the additional risks of resisting arrest. On April 27, 2024, Ayman King, a 19-year-old McDonald's employee, became involved in a disturbing altercation with drive-thru customers. What started as an order dispute escalated into violence and a robbery. It's shocking how quickly things spiraled. How could something like this happen at a fast food restaurant?
Tell me what occurred today. What happened?
23. Only me and him. Me and him got on both on the headset. So I'm trying to tell them. When they was coming to the thing, see how I time look right now. When they came to the thing, it was like, oh, you didn't take my order. I said, yeah, I know I didn't take your order. It was busy. It's only me and him. I got other cars and other fools. So
can you go? I'm like, can you go back around? She was like, no, I'm not going back around. The man in the front seat, he wasn't saying anything. It was two ladies. It was one in the passenger seat and it was one in the back seat. The lady in the passenger seat, she says, no, we're not going around. I said, well, then I can't put your order in right here because I have other car and I have other food. I didn't want it to go cold. So she was like, well, I said, okay, well, I'm going to call the police. I called the police the first time. They was like, okay, that they was going to send somebody else. So I went outside to give the people. And I think the second car behind them had a car my friend paid. So I actually kept car to cash. I had him go to the window to try to pay them out. I have to squeeze through right there. So when I'm squeezing through right there, both of them, like this in my face, sticking the middle finger, just put her tongue out. I'm like, okay. So next thing you know, I see this all in my face. So I'm like, I just moved her phone out of her hand. She got her phone all in my face. And I'm trying to walk past. I'm this little, the door right here. When I'm about to pass, she about to hit me. He about to hit me. No, matter of fact, she was about to hit me before. He was out the car. That's when the other girl came around from the passenger seat with the other girl and tried to walk up on me. You think I'm finna both let them hit me? No. I was trying to be the bigger person. But it's every week, it's something.
The conflict at the Monroe County McDonald's started when customers grew frustrated from waiting. After King asked them to move, the situation escalated when the customer refused. When King went outside and grabbed the customer's phone, a physical struggle ensued. Why did this situation escalate so quickly?
So she actually grabbed the phone.
Yes.
And I saw the video. I'm asking, I have to ask. So she reached in the car, she grabs the phone. When she grabbed the phone, she had possession of it, or you and her had possession of it? What happened? Where's your phone? Grab that phone. So say you have the phone. Did she take it? Or did you have it and she had it like this?
No,
we don't expect it.
She took it.
We don't expect
Okay. Okay.
Take and girls come to she and what to do.
I got you. That's.
What did she say? So she says she was attending customers. They pulled up to the front of the window. She wasn't able to attend them because they were extremely busy. She told them to turn back. So,
11, show me level 19.
they stood there at the window. They started being belligerent with her. She went out the window. So she could attend them. She was squeezing through. They stuck the middle finger at her, and that's when she went out and.
No, it's an arrest, and it's robbery.
She took the phone.
She actually had possession. So she when he was on his phone, she takes it and she keeps it away from him. So she deprived him of it. So it's robbery.
And burglary.
And burglary.
And battery times 2.
So
let's watch it again.
Yankee Romeo 06 MYZR 06.
What happened before this?
Gonna be attached to a black Harley Davidson. Gonna be at the 68.
She said, "Step out here, I'm gonna beat your ass." So we got assault.
2333.
Was she in the front seat?
2334.
She's in the front seat.
King claimed she was harassed by customers, but footage and witness statements showed she snatched a customer's phone. This led to charges of robbery by sudden snatching and burglary with assault or battery.
Can I call my mom really fast?
I'll let you call your mom when we get to the car.
Oh my.
Yeah. Okay, so look, you can never open somebody's car and touch them.
But she had.
No, she didn't. It's on video you opening the door.
I don't remember me opening no door though. I would have told you. I already know how y'all feel.
I understand that we don't have a choice because they're, it's not our choice to make. This incident occurred, and now I'm gonna let you call your mom. You have your phone?
It's over.
We'll get it. Okay. I'll have him get your phone. Is your wallet here? Okay. Did you ID her already? Yeah. Okay.
These actions had serious legal consequences. She was arrested and charged with robbery by sudden snatching, a felony under Florida law, and 2 counts of burglary with assault or battery. These charges reflected the severity of her actions, which went beyond a simple dispute to include theft and physical violence. These incidents underscore the need to uphold personal responsibility and respect the role of law enforcement in safeguarding public safety. They reveal the severe consequences of assaulting police officers and resisting arrest. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for supporting our message.